But you sing as slow as you. Hi, Hamawan. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Jumawan, Humawan. Good morning. Jumawan, Humawan. You always first come. I think yesterday you were first. So, thank you for subaybaying. Subaybaying me. I don't feel. Thank you. Hello, Lucas. Hi, Lucas. Padalikan ano gas ano paghag ng gas tan control. Sir Derek Johns. Good morning. Baho. Good morning po. Love a day, laundry day. Make a love a day. I need a love. I was just waiting for your smile. Body Moss. Hi, Body Moss. Twins Cities Transit. Hello pa. Hi pa. Laundry on a Friday, yes. Twin Cities Transit. Good morning. Bata mo lang to. Doing live. Clean home. Clean home always. Nice to see you smile. Thank you po. Heidi 7600. Thank you, sir. William, I'm alright. Twin Cities, I think your name is William, I think. You're having a good day, yes po. Having a good day. Papasakay kita. Ato may muna ko. Hindi man ako pwede magkanta. Yes, Bell. Yes, Sir Bell. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you po, Sir Bell. I remember. Oh my, the shorts. How are you doing, Sir Bell? How are you doing? po. I don't care who you are, where you from, where you see. Hey, I am doing good. That's good. Doing good. Hi, Johnny. Doing good. Where you from? Unless you love me. Beautiful. Beautiful, sexy love. Really? Sexy. My birth name is William, but people call me Bill. Ah, that's why. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you po, Sir Bell. God bless po. Good night. Good night, Jose. Happy Valentine. Oh my God, tomorrow Valentine's. Happy Valentine's po. For tomorrow. Clayton. Hi, Clayton Duarte. Clayton Duarte. Jose. Hi, Jose. What you will see as long as you love me. Who you are, where you from. Are you married? Not yet married. Not yet married. What are your plans for today? Laundry day. Laundry, then after work. After lunch, working. Hi, Sir Telly Mitchell. Long day, huh? Long day. Yes, pa. Wood jazz. Wood jazz. I don't care who you are, where you from. Sir Don! Good morning, Sir Don! How's your day? Best regards, love and peace. Thank you. Thank you pa. Hi, John Bag. You are fit. Hi, Don from Sir Bell. Thank you, Sir Bell. Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine's, Sir Don. Sir Bell, happy Valentine's advance for tomorrow. How you doing, Don? Are you working, Sir Don? You working now? Tomorrow, yesterday is your day off. Hello, twin. Concert on. Who you are, where you, very nice feet. Thank you. Happy Valentine's. I know from another life. From another life. Where you from? You see as long as you look. Mm, where you from? Where you see as long as you love me. Do you Shivar, it's my day off po. Okay. Hello, my dear. Hi. I go back to work tomorrow. Okay. Enjoy your day off. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day tomorrow.
Oo, 13 yan.
13. Tomorrow, Valentine. I like you singing. Thank you, Sir Bell. But I'm not a singer. I'm not a good singing.
Moya di mamang
But I
ice
like,
mo, ha?
but I love sing. I love to sing. When singing, we feel chill, relax. Who is that? My son. My son, Gabriel. Good morning, Sham. You always look so happy, yes. Always stay positive. Choose to be happy, whatever happens. It's Red Horse time. Yeah, Red Horse time tomorrow. Today, because your day off, Sir Don. June bag, all natural. All natural. Say hi for me. Hi, Sir Bell. Ano? Ah. There is good in every day, yes. Every day is good. Di ka pa nagliwansong kahapon pa yan. Oh, say hi to your son. Say hi daw, Gab. Gab, say hi. Say hi, Sir Bell. Sir Don. Say hi. I will buy you a Sunmig. Thank you, Sir Don. Sunmig apple. For tomorrow, Valentine's. Sunmig apple po. Yay! Sunmig apple. For me. Yes. Say hi for you, Sir Bell, from Gab, my son. Hopefully. Hi, Anlik. It is cold in the morning there, house. Not cold. Warm weather here, even it's raining. Weather is good. Good weather here po. Sheryl, long time no see. Hi, Emmer. Thank you for joining. Hi, Juarez. Thank you, Sir Bell. The Dog Star Channel. Good morning, the Dog Star Channel. Thank you for joining po, sir. Hello, Gab, from Sham. Thank you, Sham. You have good English. Kumusta, little man? Thank you po. Blinky timeout. He's fine. Gab is fine po. Thank you. How old he is? 9 years old. My son is 9 years old po, Sir Bell. Panfilo Duarte. Hello, beautiful woman. Greetings from Argentina. Hi, Panfilo from Argentina. Thank you for joining. 1 a.m. here, going to sleep host. Have a lovely day, Cheryl. Thank you. Thank you, Shom. Good night. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. Sir John. Oh my God. Sir John, thank you, Sir John. Thank you po. Good morning, Sir John. Sir Bell. Hello po, greetings from Indonesia. Hi, Brian from Indonesia. Craig Smith. Hey, Craig. You doing anything up special tomorrow? Drink, uh, sunmig apple. I will date my son tomorrow. Tomorrow with special, with my son. I will, my parents, my families. No Valentino. Always. I always with them. And how many years I'm always, no Valentines. I'm always with my family. Many years na. It's fine. No worries. Tomorrow, Sunmig Apple. Aray, balik-balik ko na. Oh. Ah. Which city do you live in the Philippines? I'm not in Manila, Bicol province. I'm living in the province, provinciana. Sir Brian, did you get good sleep po? Yes, I get some sleep, Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. I sleep well. I sleep a lot. Valentine's Day is for family also. Yes, it's for family. Sir Don. Sleep well. Daily. Mahal kita. Thank you po. Oh, today is Valentine. Tomorrow, Sir Brian, Valentine's tomorrow. Today is 13. You look very pretty. Thank you. Hi! Goodness. Put your tummy first like washboard. Tummy. May tummy. Hey! No, ano na. Flat, put your tummy flat like washboard. Like flat pala. So, today is Black Friday. Yes po. It's a bad luck. Today is a bad luck because Friday 13th Friday. Is everything okay? Yes po. Everything okay. Why you say Black Friday? Because today Friday is the 13th. Bad luck. That's why Black Saturday. wash by hand. Before, I wash my hands, but now I have washing already na. Ano ba yan? Ikaw. Kulit mo, ah. You're in shape because of the Zumba, yes. I love Zumba. Healthy fitness. Because when getting old, uh, body change shape. So that's why you need to stay fit, stay healthy. That's why. No laundry. Laundry day. Today is a laundry day. Okay. Ano kasi, paano inaayos mo? Kasi, pagkawin mo nga ano ka gusto ng bato, kumuha ka daw bato na sabay, kumuha ka mga bato. Ay, bakit mo na doon? Wash by hands, more clean, better than laundry, I think. Yes po. Yes po. Wash by hands, better than laundry. By washing. Yes, it is important to stay healthy. Yes po, Sir Don. I mean, do wash laundry by hand. Yes, by hand. That's why I drink only 2 with horse instead of 3. Sana all. It's okay to drink, but don't forget to exercise. What is Red Horse Don? Red Horse is like a beer, Sir John. As ba, what do you call this? But hard. Hard beer. But San Mig Apple is like latest drink, like it's called San Mig Apple. Maybe it's 5% alcohol, 5 or 10% alcohol. That must be hard work to wash laundry by hand. Yes po. Hard work. Tiring. Tiring by something like that. Do you drink? Yes, I drink Samig Apple. I don't like Red Horse because it's hard. Red Horse is hard beer. Fell drunk. Ta-da-dum. You should sing more. I like it. Yeah, I love to sing, but I'm not confident I'm a good singer because I'm not a good singer. You must try Arak Bali. Arak Bali, new brand. I bet you're a funny drunk po. Yes po. Ano funny when they feel drunk. Get up, get up, get up. I chilling, cool. Apo, you are a great dancer. Thank you, Sir Don. I like dancing. Okay, I disagree, but I understand you're self-conscious. Yes. Yeah, self-conscious. Yes po, Sir Bell. Because a lot of singers here in the Philippines, that's why all they are the good singers. That's why if I sing, I'm not ano. There are a lots of beautiful singers here. Good singers. My friends, oh my god, she have an amazing voice when she sings karaoke. So much. Beautiful things. That's why, okay, you are, when the party, you are singers, but I go for dance. I'm just dance. Why is the same? Oh, raining here. Raining. No laundry because raining. The clothes not dry. Still wet. No sampayan. We understand there is so much competition in singing, yes. But when singing, it's like not a competition maybe, but it's like it feels so good when you sing and dance, yes. A lot of singers there. Darna! Dancing in the rain, yes po. When I'm a kid, oh my god, I'm always dancing in the rain. I love something in the rain. I love it. Dancing in the rain. Where are you from? Hi, I'm from Philippines. What is important you have? For me now, at my age now, I do what I want makes me happy. But I don't care what people say. I do what I want to makes me happy. I don't care what people say about me because as long as I am not going nothing bad to them, I'm not feel guilty. So enjoy life. Just enjoy the life. Good morning. Sir Fred in the house. Thank you. When I sing, the dogs run away. Same here. When I sing, the dog barks. I'm from Philippines. Good morning, Sir Fred. God. Candy. I will dance with you, Cheryl. I love dancing in the rain. My God, raining now. Good on you po, yes, Sir John. Sir John, tomorrow is Valentine. You need to find your Valentina. Hello, Derek from Sir Don. Hello, Fred from Sir Don. Good. Hey, Don from Sir Fred. Raining here now also, Cheryl. Oh my God, we here now. Raining here. Hope no blackouts because here it's raining like this heavy rain. Oh my, blackout, suddenly blackout. The rain is loud, yes po. Heavy rain. It's raining man. It's raining. Raining woman. Here on. Wala. Heavy rain na. Oh wait, it's Spider raining man. Spider raining. Hello, Esteban Zabo. Raining in Manila, but never too late, yo girl. Yes, Sir Don, sir. Late, too late for me. Never too late to John. Still young, no need to. Good morning. Hi, Albi. Parisido for first time. Hi, Albi. You have a good day po. Yes, thank you. Yes. Have a good day, even if it's raining. Bye-bye. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you so much. Bye, Don. Bye, Sir Bell. God bless always. Bye, Kim. Thank you, Don. Oh, Hiberlin na. People in the house. Live na lang. Oh, Hiberlin. There's the thing was here po. There's Sir John, too hot? Too hot po. I can turn nothing. Yes. Raining. Raining. I love the sound of rain. Raining here. Yes. Oh my God. Hot wilderness, oh my God. Waiting here, here's the rain. Oh my goodness. Animals. After it rains, it smells so fresh. Yes! Yes po. Yes, it's raining. Yes, raining. Body months raining here. Raining here, raining. Let's go play in the rain. My God, ang rain. Hi. Edward, Ferry, hello. Hi. Get the boat ready. I will see you later. I will see you later. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. God bless po. God bless you, John. Thank you so much for joining. the rain making me sleepy. Ah, that's right. So what's your plans this morning? Plans this morning? I want to plan to do laundry but it's raining here. So I want to stay in the bed, just going live. After lunch, doing work. So I guess no laundry today. Yes, no laundry today. No laundry today because rain. Easy then, easy, comment high. It's okay, you can talk twice. Yes, talk. Yes, that's right. Ginelda. B7. B7. Stop raining now. Calm down. Calm down. Thank you for the no. Oh my god, I don't know what Ronaldo. I don't like Philippines is a beautiful country. Thank you, Bobby Mark. Oh my god, again. Beautiful woman. Yeah. Many beautiful women here in the Philippines. But do you know how to make lumpia? Yes, I know how to make lumpia. Yummy lumpia. Yummy. Hi, ready. Hey, ready. Hi, ready. Beautiful looking. Thank you. I like lechon also. Yes. The lechon. My God. Raining. Tada. Oh my God. Hello. Okay. Let's have some coffee, yes po. Some coffee. How long does that container keep the water hot? How long? Maybe, 5 hours. 5 hours long. Stay hot. Water. Yes. Hey, Junior, please. Parang medyo malubag. Wow, long time, yeah. So super dance. Higher pili-pili, Hi, little Cross. You looking birthday today. Happy Valentine's. Thank you, sir. Igor Cross. Hello, Cross. I'm so gone. John. Hello, John from Agar. So Agar. Cody Villanueva. Hi, Cody. Anthony Pastor Gomez. Where do you live, beautiful? I live here in the Philippines. From the land of the Philippines. John Paul, hi. For my surname is Villanueva. This is very common in the Philippines. Yes, Villanueva here is rich people. Some rich people here, Villanueva. Some popular. Wow, that's why. Maybe I'm the Don jokes. Yes, that's why I say, oh my Don. Who's my Don? Because Don here is rich people. Calling you Don is rich people. Where you are, that's a kitchen, yes. Kitchen. Nawawa. Guess what? Come here. Ay. Wow. Come here, Dada. I am only rich in heart, not in my wallet. Same here. That's a kitchen, yes. That's a kitchen. Look. Kitchen. So I'm cooking. Kitchen cooking. Sir Antonio. I must go buy. Buy. Hi, Jollibee. Hi, Kuya Dre. Kuya Dre. Cooking, yes, cooking. I miss the boy. Buy. I miss the buy. So, meet Kuya Dre from Sudan. D7. D7. Mr. Brian. Mr. Brian. Single again, Jollibee. Again. No. Why you say that? D7, please be respectful. Thank you, Sir Don. Hello, Don from Kuya Dre. Thank you po. Panis ka po. I'm talking about me. Ah, okay. Sing it again. Oh my God. Why happened? What happened? You, Jollibee, your Jollibee fighting again? Yeah. Why? Maybe she needs more Jollibee. Kuya Jay. Do it. Opo, it was bad. Oh my God. Miss Mayaka, my niece. She's my niece. Say hi. Hi. Oo. Say hi. Say hi. Wow. Hi. Hello. Tadam. Kanta ka, sing, sing. Hello, niece. Sing. Ji, ji, la, la. Ano ba yung kanta? La, la, ji, ji. Hello, niece. Nanggigigil ako. Bye. Kiss mo, wawa. Kiss wawa. Yay. Suplada. O comedy. Don't wanna later comedy. It depends on you if you are it makes you laugh. Thank you sa nagla-like. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Sabah. Hi Sabahatin Balabin. Hello Harrison Bolo. Hi Harrison Bolo. Maybe it's over this time. She said I'm not understanding men. I'm selfish. Oh my God. Oh. Sorry for you, Kuya Dre, getting old at this point. Oh my God. Cheer up, you need to talk good communication for your jowa. Sometimes jowa tampo lang. Maybe your jowa just tampo. I'm back. Hi, Daddy. Maybe your jowa just tampo, kuya. You are from San Polods, Pilipinas, from Bicol probinsya. Philippines from Bicol province siya. The province of Bicol. Not that's easy, Jollibee. Everyone gets tired of some point. I understand, but maybe it takes time. It takes time. Just gives her space, both of you. But uh, love exists.
Ano ka dyan? May pig dyan. Hala.
Lola. Lola. No, Lola.
Chihuahua lang nandito.
Chihuahua lang.
Chihuahua lang nandito.
No, Lola.
Ay, ayoko na naman. Nabatak mo ba?
Not. Are you single? No, I'm not single. I'm not available. I'm not. I'm chicken.
Tayo.
Come on, let's eat. Bye bye, Jollibee. I have a headache. Ingat po. Oh my God. Kuya Dre. Ingat. Take care, Kuya. Sleep well. You need rest about that. It takes time. Just give space for each other and love exists. Okay, no breakups. Oh my God, Valentine's tomorrow. No need to break up. Oh yeah. No breakup. Tomorrow is a Valentine. Your jowa just tampo. Not rubbish food. Fresh with coconut milk. Then rice. See how poor you are. Oh, really? Thank you. Maybe you are a rich one and um, then it will be okay. Yes, it will be okay. If you are a rich one, You can't, you don't know how appreciate how living, how I live here. Difficult living here and the province. Maybe wrong channel you join. E-user. Maybe you're a lot of money rich one, but uh, your heart and vision in life is super. You don't know what you don't appreciate what God's created in this world. You are based on the material things. You are one of the judgmental, criticism, K K user. I'm poor, but I'm happy, and it doesn't matter. I have God. He knows what the best for me. And who are you saying that? That's Hi, Luis, Carlos. I'm not. It's okay to saying that I'm just a poor, so it's not hurting. And it's hurting if you are a rich people, but you lack of a good manners and the right conduct. Oh, it's a poor one. Mm. This is not a rubbish food. It's a healthy food. Um, Fish with coconut milk. That's not a rubbish food. Your attitude is a rubbish. KK. Moro Salva Capriata. Hi. Hi po, back. Hi, Sir Bell. Thank you for joining, Thank you for joining back again. Thank you po, Sir Bell. Can't sleep. Sometimes I'm like that. Can't sleep. Pepper, pepper. Watching my own live. Oh my God. What are you up to? Peter? Peter. Lol. What are you up to? What? Sorry. I don't know how.
Sira na yan, daw yan. Gabriel, sa'yo may tinatay, di ba? Ano, kung dahil ito, ay tagal kilala niya. Ang kaibigan, di nakaparag lang. Ay, gusto mo sabihin makadali?
What are you doing? I'm doing my, I start the, I put the start the goal. That's why. Sometimes I don't know how, sometimes I don't know how. Something like that. I always knew. You're watching yourself. Yes. I'm always watching myself. I'm confused. I'm confused about. What I see. Ayan. No. Late here, late.
Sarado mo kay ano? Can I am?
Oh, wow, wow. Confused about what I look. Babang, come here. Ate, ano naman. Come here. Babang. Say hi. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. One more. One more. Kanta ka. Kanta ka man. Anong kanta? Chidan, chidi, chidan. What is it? What is it? Sir Bell. Say hi, Sir Bell. Sir Bell. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. It's a kiss. It's a kiss. One more. Sikit. Huh? Titigab. You know how to sing? You know how to sing? Oh, sing. Sing. What song you sing? Jala, Jala, where are you? Jala, Jala, where are you? You know that? You know? You don't know? So cute! I know what you sang. You sang, don't bong. Babay na. Kami sa mama lang. Ito, si mama. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. Bye. Boboy na.
Uwa.
Wuwa? Yes, Wuwa. Wuwa and Bibi Jayla. Bibi Jayla. Nyan. Yes, she's so cute. Dadan tidin taram bing tiding ting ting tigiding ding 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 tidan 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 tidid tidid tidan 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 I felt so Aray ko! Who is this? She's my niece. She's calling me Wawa. Ang ka na ka, mama. Taka na, mama. Gusto mama mo. Taka na, mama. Kana. Eat ka dun, eat food ka na. Eat food na. Ang ka na. Come on, bye-bye. Say bye. Bye. Not yet finished foods, my goodness. Bye-bye. Laundry cancel, yes po, because rain here. They bought food, yeah. They bought food po. They bought food. Rice and fish with coconut milk. Rice, fish with coconut milk.
No. Huwag ang pinili ko. Ano na, huwag ang pinili ko.
Highly so fun. It's fun. Highly so fun. Oh my goodness. Cancel the laundry today. Stop raining here again. So cold. So cold na. Don't wanna let her go. Only heaven. What time is it? 9:50 in the morning. When you like it,
Maganda ka, no?
Gusto mo kong manatili pero anong dahilan? Gusto mo kong para pa saan? Kahit sa mga problema nagpapasan at ang katapusan kasalanan ko na naman. Don't let you I believe really I'm sorry. A lot of messaging. Go. Wait lang. I need to talk someone of my friends. Yeah, raining. back. Thank you, Sir Bell. Thank you po.
Oh, mulai ko mo kang tigo. Oh, shit.
Never hold you.
Look. Ay, mga pinabubo. Oh, mapakain ka, Jayla. Wala ka dyan sa pig. Pig. Kami pig dyan mo.
God bless. We're going to try to go to sleep. Bye po. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, Sir Bell. God bless. God bless you too. Good night. Sleep well. Amandraza. Hi, Amandraza.
Ano tawag dito?
I'm fine. La 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 la. Thank you. I need to end the live because busy. Thank you. Love you all.